The testing of toys, school supplies and products for children is a core business of the accredited testing laboratory. The laboratory, situated in České Budějovice, has been testing the products of light industries for more than 40 years. Nowadays, the testing of toys, school supplies and products for children is a core business of the laboratory. The laboratory belongs to one of the biggest testing and certification organizations in the Czech Republic, the Technical and Test Institute for Constructions, Prague. Dynamic strength of toys, which a child can set in motion by itself, is carefully tested. The test simulates an impact to the fixed barrier. During this test, the toy shall not crack or the construction of toys shall not collapse. We can determine the strength of seams and the strength of small parts, which could be swallowed by a child under 3 years. We can also test the sharpness of edges to avoid an injury of a child. We can determine magnetic flux index of magnets. There are hazards associated with ingestion of strong magnets, which are capable of causing intestinal perforation or blockage. Drop tests are performed with toys intended for children under 3 years of age. During this test, the toy shall not crack. Small parts shall not loosen when toys like this whistle or musical instruments are used. Small parts could be inhaled by children. Toys shooting projectiles shall not hurt eyes. Therefore, the kinetic energy of projectiles is measured. Toys shall not be made of easily flammable materials. Therefore, the burning rate of plush toys, guises and tents is determined. Toys with wheels are tested as well. The test simulates falling down the stairs. During this test, the toy shall not crack or the construction of toys shall not collapse. A power element's durability of swings intended for the youngest children is tested 72 hours and the construction of swing shall not collapse. We examine the mechanical resistance of the children's toothbrushes, the safety of cots, but also cigarette lighters. The efficiency of detergents is carefully tested. The heavy metals content is determined by means of modern devices. The amount of harmful substances is determined by gas chromatography. Other dangerous substances are determined by spectrophotometry. Children play with toys not only inside but also outside. Experts from České Budějovice certify the safety of playgrounds, areas for roller skaters or skateboarders, and also artificial boulder climbing walls. We work for a better life of your children. It fulfills us. The Technical and Test Institute for Constructions, Prague.